School Freeware SQL Server Express 2008 Release 2 Tutorials. Tutorial 6. Inserting data in tables using the while loop. The code used within this tutorial can be downloaded at schoolfreeware.com.
What we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to declare some variables. I declared x and y as an integer. I'm declaring first name as a varchar. Last name and middle name. To declare your variable, you start it with an @ sign, variable name, and the type. And we're going to insert some data into our variables. And our ending loop is going to be 500. And our last name, we'll just use M. Okay. Now, I'm going to declare my loop while x is less than or equal to y. Begin and end will encapsulate your loop. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put an insert statement in there. And like I showed you in the last video, I'm going to grab some column names. And we are going to use a select statement. But I'm going to add a little twist on there. We're going to append our looping variable x onto the name. But to do this, we have to change the type of the variable to a varchar.
So the cast does.
Well, to convert, you can use cast or you can use convert. I'm doing it quickly, so I'm just using cast. Okay, so we've declared our loop. We have our insert statement with our select statement. And next thing we have to do is we have to increment. And you could use select, and then you could add increment your x, or you can use set. The difference is if you use set, you're doing one line. If you're doing a select, you can do multiple variables at the same time and update them all at once. But since we're only updating x, I'm going to use set. So let's parse our query here, see if we have any errors. Oh, and yes, we do. There we go. Hey, and successful. So let's execute our query now, and we see no errors. So let's create a select statement. And instead of just selecting all of the data out of there, let's first let's do a count. This way we can count the number of rows. We have 503. Okay. Let's select. And there we go. Here's all of our data. And that's how you insert data with a while loop.